Welcome to the Kingdom. Today we're discussing a walkthrough on Browse Experts. This part is an ongoing series on our channel called Handy Support. So let's get started. Automatically you will see this on your screen. As part of early access, we are developing the dashboard. So the first thing we have noticed so far is we are building our dashboard as of right now. It looks very cool, and I can't wait for it to be fully realized. So, as a part of this walkthrough, you will see the first thing when you sign your dashboard is a red calendar called Browse Experts. We'll be clicking that and move on to the next section. So right here, you will see the main Browse Experts page. We're going to go through individual tabs as well as two examples of a super helper and a pro. Please note that you can only search super helpers and pros for Browsing Expert. For this reason alone, there's only two options to search. So we're going to do advanced search. You could do a simple search. Let's do a simple search as an example. So for this example, we're just going to do one simple search. We're going to do electrical mechanics. It just shows a random one off the top, and type in a random location. Let's just do New York, and boom, you can browse. And you will see this page. As of now, Michigan is our only category that has experts at the moment, so that's why you see this page. But I'll explain instant boarding later in the video. So now we're going to try an advanced search. I'm going to show each search main category and subcategories for this particular part. I will also show the drop-down menu that finds the different experts, as I'm just going to show you right now. Super helper, which is the expert level, pro, expert level. They're both expert levels. As super helper is not licensed professional, while pros are licensed professionals. And I'm going to show you each of our categories. We have cleaners, handymen, general contractors, licensed tradesmen, mechanics, carers, which could be caretakers, and security guards. These are the ones for our main categories, and they have their individual subcategories. That's why it's advanced search. They show each individual one's subcategory, like cleaners show home clean, office clean, condo clean, for examples. Handymen like electrical and light hauling as examples. General contractors, electrical services, plumbing services, roofing services, and everything else in between. Here's a rundown of all our main categories and subcategories on the Handy Banjo website. Pause the video if you need to. When you're signing up as a pro or a super helper, you can find these categories as well. To give you a gist of what we have. As of now, we're just going to do handyman, and let's do another lawn care. Let's just do a super helper as an example, and we do a random location. Let's just do our city. And it looks like we don't have anybody. Well, it would be perfect transition to show how this instant boarding work. So that being said, if you have no results and you have nobody that has shown up from your results, don't worry, because we have an immediate solution called instant boarding. Instant boarding is our no excuses feature that works like this. Whenever you searched, for example, handyman and name a city, or use Detroit as an example, and you browse and nothing showed up, we have a notification down here, instant board. Once you click it, it will go towards our acquisition team, and we will find an expert, which would take 24 to 48 hours within our business days. It will notify you when we have a result for an expert who fits your needs. So as an example, we're going to click it, and it's sent to admin. So now our admin will get the notification, and hopefully in 20 to 40 hours, they will notify me when they have a result for me to select. Because I picked handyman, hopefully they can find a handyman that does lawn care. So now we're going to do an example from a super helper and a pro. For this particular one, we're going to look at either, let's do Chad as the pro for now. Chad is our exterminator, and he shows you that he is a pro. He also has his secondary skills. He's also a general contractor. He does lock installation, TV mounted furniture assembly as examples. You can also chat with him if you want, and that is our pro as an example. You can also message him and see what boom is there. And we go back, and then we'll do a super helper, which was do Dion. He does spring cleaning, commercial cleaning, window cleaning, and you can chat with him to hire him. And that is pretty much it. That was our quick summary of Browse Experts. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.